Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Long time no see. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you on how to use the print function and how to make variables in Python. But before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe with notification bell on so you won't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So before we do some coding, we need to know a little bit of words. Okay, it's very important to know these words. So we got string, integer, and float. So what is a string? A string is a collection of alphabets, words, or other characters. What is an integer? An integer is a whole number, positive or negative, of unlimited length. What is a float? A float is a decimal value or fractional number. So integers and floats are numbers. So the example of an integer can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Examples for the float one can be 1.5, 0.5, 3.14, 3.14, 15926, 5359, and just any number with decimal values. Okay, now we know some words now. Let's get started with coding. So we got the print function right here. Now when we put the print function right here, you will see there's some two parentheses here. Now inside these two parentheses, we can put anything we want. We can put a string, we can put an integer, or we can put a float. Let's start with putting a string first. To put a string, we need to use some quotes. We can use a single quote or a double quote. This is what the single quotes look like, and this is what the double quotes looks like. See the difference? Okay, let's use the single quotes for now. Okay, let's print hello. Now what happens if I print hello? Well, the string character hello would be printed out in the output if I run this program. Okay, let me run this program so that you can see it. Okay, run. This is the run button. And then look in the output, it says hello. See that? So the print function is used to print out characters that we put inside the parentheses of it. Okay, so we can put anything we want. It doesn't matter. Like and subscribe. Let's run the program. It says like and subscribe. See? Okay, now we're done with the strings. Let's do the integers now. So with the integers, I'm gonna put 15. Okay, I'm gonna put 15. So what did you observe when I put 15 here? You see that I didn't use quotes, right? It's because I'm printing an integer. I'm not printing a string. If I was printing a string, then I would put some quotes. But this is an integer. This is a number. So we don't put quotes in that. So let's run, and then look at this. It printed out 15 even without the quotes. Well, let's say we want to put some quotes here. Print 15. And run this program. Look, the outcome is still the same, but the string 15 and integer 15 are different because 15 plus 15 can be answered by Python, but string 15 plus string 15 cannot be answered by Python because they cannot add strings. Okay, so the outcome's the same. The difference is just the difference is just the other one is the string and this one is the integer. Okay, so now there we can print 100. Okay, we can print 100, 79, 78. Okay, now let's try with the float. Let's say 1.5, and look, let's run the program and it prints out 1.5. Let's try printing 3.14, and let's run the program. It prints out 3.14. We can put 3.141596 5359. And let's run this program, and it prints out this. Okay, now we're done. Now let's discuss why are there two quotes that we use to print a string. Yeah, there's like this quote, a single quote, and a double quote. Why do we have this? Why can't we just use the single quote? Well, I'll tell you why. Let's say I want this to come up in the output. Okay, let's say I want the output to print out Alex Ali's YouTube channel. We can see that we used an apostrophe S, right? Since the single quote has some parts of the apostrophe S, then the program will get confused. Let me show you. So I'm gonna put the single quote here, then ADLEX Ali's YouTube channel. Look at that. See? You see those lines? That means it's an error. And then look at the strings. It's getting confused. See? So that's why we need to use the double quotes at this situation. Okay? ADLEX Ali's YouTube channel. Okay, there we go. We fixed it. So that's the purpose of having two quotes. It's to be able to print out characters with the apostrophe S, or anything with something like that. Anything with some parts of the single quote. Okay, so we've learned how to use the print function. Let's go learn on how to make variables. So to make a variable, we need to name a variable. Well, I'm gonna name my variable my var. var is short for variable. Okay, I'm gonna put in the variable, you can put a string, float, or an integer. I'm gonna put a string for now. I'm gonna print hello. I'm gonna put hello. Okay, the value of my var is a string character hello. Now I want the value of my var to be printed out. Okay, so I'm gonna put here print my var. Okay, you see that I didn't put any quotes here, right? In the my var, because my var is a variable. Okay, when we run this program and look at the output, it says hello. But when I put some quotes here in the my var, then it would literally print my var. Look in the output. It doesn't even print the value of the my var. So that's why when you want to print some variables, don't use quotes on them. Okay. We can also put some numbers here. We can put 2.71828188284. 2.71828188284. Okay. And look at that. See? We can put 100. Okay. So yeah, that's how to make a variable in Python. Python. I meant Python. So yeah, it's really simple. That's it for the video. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. And I hope you understand and listen carefully.